Management point of view, this heat map visualization can be analyzed in terms of content organization, visual clarity, and effective communication of information. 1. Content structuring. The image presents a heat map that visually represents the usage trend and impact score of different mathematical concepts in AI. The title is well defined and provides context. AI Mathematical Foundations, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. The x-axis represents mathematical concepts like Newton's interpolation, quadratic optimization, binomial theorem, etc. The y-axis represents scores, usage trend and impact score. 2. Visual clarity and aesthetics. The color-coded representation makes it easy to interpret trends. The contrast between the background, black, and text, light blue, ensures readability. The color bar, legend, on the right provides a clear scale for interpreting values. 3. Image utility and applications. Academic and research presentations, it provides a quick visual representation of mathematical concepts and their relevance. AI/ML training and curriculum design, useful for understanding which mathematical foundations are more impactful. Decision making, helps professionals in AI to prioritize learning or teaching specific topics. 4. Image optimization recommendations. If used in publications or reports, ensure high-resolution export to avoid pixelation. If shared online, optimize file size to maintain quality while reducing loading time. Maintain consistent color schemes for better interpretability in multiple visuals. Detailed analysis of the heat map image. 1. Title and context. The title at the top reads, Heat Map, AI Mathematical Foundations, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. This indicates that the heat map represents the importance of mathematical concepts in AI/ML research. 2. X-axis, mathematical concepts. The x-axis labels represent various mathematical topics that are foundational for AI and ML. 1. Newton's interpolation, used for numerical approximations in AI. 2. Quadratic optimization, important for machine learning models. 3. Binomial theorem, helps in probability and combinatorial problems. 4. Differentiation, essential for gradient-based optimization in AI. 5. Integration, used in neural network computations. 6. Mean and variance, core statistics concepts in AI. 7. Standardization, used for data pre-processing. 8. Work energy theorem, physics-based applications in AI. 3. Y-axis, score categories. The y-axis labels show two different scoring criteria. Usage trend, represents how frequently the concept is used in AI/ML applications. Impact score, indicates the importance or influence of the concept in AI/ML. 4. Color representation and heat map values. The color bar on the right represents the score range, 70 to 90. Yellow, 90 plus, indicates high impact/usage. Orange, 85 to 89, represents moderate to high importance. Pink/purple, 75 to 84, represents medium significance. Dark blue/purple, 70 to 74, indicates low impact/usage. Observations for color intensity. Differentiation and integration have the highest impact scores, bright yellow, showing their critical importance in AI. Newton's interpolation and quadratic optimization have moderate importance, orange/pink. Binomial theorem has the lowest score, dark blue, meaning it's less frequently used in AI. 5. Background and styling. Black background with light-colored text enhances readability. Color map, plasma or similar, is used for better visibility. Clear axis labels make the graph easy to interpret. Key takeaways. White heavy checkmark most important mathematical concepts for AI. Differentiation, integration, and optimization. Mean and variance for statistical modeling. White heavy checkmark least used concept in AI. Binomial theorem, lowest impact score. White heavy checkmark customization suggestions. Add annotations for key concepts. Increase font size for better readability. Use an interactive version, Plotly, for deeper insights.